Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of virtual reality. If you've been following VR tech, you already know that Meta's Quest series has been leading the charge. But with the Quest 3 already out, everyone's asking the same question: what's next? Let's explore what we know so far about the Meta Quest 4, the shifting release strategy, and what this means for the future of immersive tech. First, let's talk about something unusual. Meta has always followed a consistent rhythm, dropping new headsets almost every year. But in 2025, things look different. Reports suggest Meta might not launch a new Quest headset this year. That's a big deal, and it raises some serious questions. Is Meta taking a breather, or are they working on something bigger behind the scenes? The most credible reports suggest the Quest 4 won't arrive until 2026. That's a full year off from Meta's usual pace. But it doesn't mean they're slowing down. In fact, it could mean the opposite. Insiders say Meta might be preparing to drop a high-end headset, maybe a Quest Pro 2 or even a brand new device entirely. If that happens, it could fill the gap before the Quest 4 and give Meta a chance to win back the high-performance VR crowd. Let's be honest, the original Quest Pro was underwhelming. It was powerful but pricey, and it never really found its audience. So the big question is, will Meta get it right this time? If a Pro model really is in the works, we may not see it until 2027. That tells us Meta is playing the long game, focusing on innovation instead of pumping out yearly updates. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest changes Meta is working on, and it's not hardware, it's software. One of the most exciting updates coming soon is automatic 3D scene meshing. Right now, when you scan your room with a Quest headset, it creates a static 3D map. But if you move a chair or table, the map doesn't update. That's not ideal, especially for mixed reality games or apps. With automatic scene meshing, that changes. The headset will detect real-time changes in your environment. It will update the digital map automatically, making everything feel smoother and more immersive. That's a game changer for home VR setups. Whether you're gaming, collaborating, or watching content in mixed reality, everything will just work better. Speaking of better experiences, let's talk about cloud gaming. Meta already made waves by integrating Xbox Game Pass into the Quest ecosystem. That was huge. But things are about to go next level. Meta is now rolling out support for NVIDIA GeForce Now. This means you'll be able to stream high-end PC games from platforms like Steam, Epic Games, and Ubisoft directly to your Quest headset. No expensive gaming PC required. All the heavy lifting happens in the cloud. Your headset just streams the result. It's fast, smooth, and affordable. This completely changes the VR landscape. Now, let's switch gears for a second to something outside the headset. Meta is planning a bold marketing move, a Super Bowl ad. But here's the twist. It's not about the Quest 4 or Quest 3. Instead, it's all about the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These glasses come with built-in AI and aim to blend augmented reality into everyday life. And yes, Hollywood stars like Chris Pratt and Chris Hemsworth might be part of the campaign. It's a clear signal. Meta isn't just focused on VR anymore, they're going full speed into R2. Now back to the Quest community. Meta is doing something really cool. They're giving back with giveaways. Right now, people have the chance to win Ray-Ban smart glasses, Quest 3 headsets, and premium VR accessories like those from Bobo VR. It's a smart move. Community engagement matters, and Meta knows that building a loyal user base is key to long-term success in this space. Let's talk about a feature Quest users have wanted for a long time: a built-in home theater mode. Watching movies in VR is already fun, but up until now, users had to rely on third-party apps. That's changing. Meta is building a native home theater environment into Horizon OS, the operating system that powers Quest headsets. This will make movie watching smoother, easier, and way more immersive. Expect better integration with streaming services, more intuitive controls, and an overall richer experience. This move puts Meta in direct competition with Apple's Vision Pro, which is being marketed as the ultimate media headset. But here's the thing: Apple's headset costs $3,500. And that leads us to something unexpected. Mark Zuckerberg actually praised Apple. He said the Vision Pro's display is better than the Quest 3, especially for watching movies. That's a rare moment of honesty in tech. But he also pointed out the massive price gap. While Apple targets premium users, Meta is clearly focused on making immersive tech affordable and mainstream. So, what does this all mean? The Quest 4 might not be coming this year, but what's happening behind the scenes is way bigger. We're seeing a shift in strategy, a move toward deeper software innovation, high-end experiences, and broader integration with cloud services and our devices. Meta isn't just making headsets anymore. They're building an entire ecosystem. So, the question is, will you wait for the Quest 4, or are you more excited about what's already here? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest in VR, AR, cloud gaming, and smart wearables, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.